Hey lads, TechScanning here. So at the time of making this video, Oppo is a few hours away from launching its most hyped foldable phones, the Oppo Find N2 and N2 Flip. However, the brand is also working on its next flagship phone, Oppo Find X6 series, which is expected to debut in first quarter of 2023 with some massive changes, especially when it comes to the design. Like its predecessor, the brand is expected to launch two models under the X6 series, that will be Oppo Find X6 and the X6 Pro. But thankfully we got the first leaked render of the Oppo Find X6 courtesy of OnLeaks, showing a premium looking smartphone made up with most likely ceramic and gloss. So the phone has a large rectangular camera island housing 3 camera sensors and a dual flashlight. And we can easily spot a periscope zoom lens expected to be a 32 megapixel sensor. Further, the phone photography will be backed by Oppo's in-house developed Silicon image processing chip, as we can see the text powered by Silicon printed in between the third sensor and LED flash. And below the triple camera setup, we can see the Hasselblad branding. Alongside the periscope lens, the Oppo Find X6 is rumored to feature a 50 megapixel 1-inch main sensor and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, while the front is expected to feature a 32 megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor. The standard Find X6 will carry the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is a second powerful chipset from Qualcomm, while the Find X6 Pro will be driven by the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Now, if you are curious about the Oppo X6 Pro design, the thing is, if the company follow like what they have done before with the Oppo X3 and the X5 series, the Oppo X6 Pro is more likely to sport the same design as Find X6. For the display, the Oppo Find X6 is expected to feature a 1.5K resolution screen. According to the so far reports, the phone will carry the same battery specs as its predecessor, that is 4800 mAh of battery with 80-watt fast charging speed, while we could also expect the availability of the reverse wireless charging. So, compared to the previous model, the Oppo Find X6 series is set to come with major design changes. What do you think about it? Share your thoughts below in the comment section, and that's it for today. Please support us by subscribing to the channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.